Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Evernote on iPhone. Using Evernote on an iPhone is a powerful way to organize your thoughts, notes, tasks and even documents in one place. Whether you're a student, professional or just someone who likes to stay organized, Evernote offers a clean, feature-rich experience. This complete guide will help you through everything from downloading the app to understanding each major icon and feature in detail. Evernote is a cloud-based note-taking app that allows you to create, store and sync notes across devices. On iPhone, it's designed to be intuitive, letting you quickly capture ideas, scan documents, create to-do list, and more. And once you start using it, it becomes like a digital notebook and that you can carry everywhere. So first, in order to download and install Evernote, tap on the App Store. There in the bottom we can find there's an option for this search icon. Tap there and type in Evernote and search for it, and you need to look for the official app. Over here there's an option for the Evernote. Beside it there's a get. Tap on the get. Here you need to wait for it to download and install it, and once it's done, and you can tap open once the installation is complete. And when you first open this Evernote here, for the first time, you need to continue it if you feel organized and productive with Evernote. So here's how you'll also find this guide of the Evernote as well. So over here, when you first open this Evernote for the first time, you'll see this option for sign up or login in the top right. If you're new, you need to tap onto this here, and you can either continue with Google or Apple if you want to, or you can simply create an account in the bottom left. Over here, simply type down an email address and tap on the continue there. And also type down your password and make sure the password is strong enough and tap on the create account. And after that, you'll successfully get into this interface of your Evernote here. You need to also customize your personalized Evernote here. So what you need to do is you need to simply tap on the continue on the bottom and proceed to it here, and simply choose how do you plan to use it. And that is it. Now you'll get into this official dashboard of your Evernote. The home screen is a control center. It shows recent notes, quick access tools and widgets. At the top you see the open new profile icon in the top left, which opens to your account setting. Nearby is the search bar. Over here under the search bar, represented by this gas icon, this allows you to instantly find notes by typing keywords in the main area. You'll see the section. This allows you to instantly find usage section like recent notes, pinned notes, or suggested content depending on your usage as well. And in the middle, we can find this option for the plus icon, new note or new task. Here at the bottom, this is the most important buttons in Evernote. Once you tap on the new note here for the writing checklist for timer icon, over here you can also type down your audio note for voice recording attachment for the files, and this button is a starting point for capturing anything quickly. So when you create or open a note, you'll enter this editing screen, and here are the main icons here. These allows you to bold, italize or underline text, create headlines or bullet point, change alignment, and this lets you attach files such as PDF, images or documents from your phone. So over here you can also use a camera app there. You can take photo directly, scan documents, receipts, notes, papers. Evernote automatically enhances scans for clarity, and there's a checklist icon as well to add check boxes to your note, perfect for to-do list or shopping list and records. And beside it there's an audio icon. It records the voice notes, great for meeting or quick thoughts when you don't want to type. And there's also a drawing tool there. Under this drawing tool allows you to sketch or write your finger. Yeah, you can select the highlight color, you can select the brush, and you can also draw it there as well. And at the bottom of the screen you see a navigation bar with the key icons, and simply type down your note. You can also select the heading, and after you're done you can save it in the top right. And that is it. On the bottom here, this is your home. It takes back to the main dashboard anytime when you go back, and the notes shows all your notes in a list format. You can scroll, search and open any note from here as well. Under the notebooks bottom there, this is where you organize notes into folders called notebooks. For example, you can create notebooks for school work or the personal use. And there's a beside task, a dedicated section for managing tasks. You can set deadlines, reminders and track progress. And beside it, there's a three-dot icon here. And Evernote becomes powerful when you organize your content properly. On this notebook, think of a notebook as a folder. You can create multiple notebooks and show store-related notebooks inside them as well. And there's a tag as well. Tags are the keywords you add notes, for example, work, urgent, or ideas. They help you find notes quickly later. And beside it, we can find this an option for the tag tab there. And over here, you can also name the notebook and you can create it in the top right. Notebooks are useful for grouping notes around a common topic, and they can be private or shared as well. And under the search function there on the top, the search icon magnifying glass is one of the Evernote's strongest feature. You can tap it here, type anything. Evernote will scan note titles, content inside the notes, even text inside images and scan documents. This makes finding information extremely fast as well. And Evernote automatically syncs your notes to the cloud. This means your data is very safe even if your phone is lost. You can access notes from other devices and make sure you can stay connected to the internet so syncing works properly as well. So in order to access your setting and profile, in the top left there's a profile icon. Go there and you can access this setting here as well. Under this setting here, you can also change the theme here. You can tap onto this dark mode. Here you can go to this light mode or the dark mode as per your preferences here as well. And you can also use the notifications in Evernote. In the top right, we can find there's a small icon for the notifications here. And notifications are the alert that helps you stay on top of your notes and tasks. Evernote, you can receive reminders for important to-dos, deadlines, or scheduled notes. For example, if you set a reminder for a meeting note, your phone will notify you at the exact time. You can also get alerts when somebody shares your notebook with your phone, makes changes to shared notes here. You can simply go to this notification, you're all set, and you'll get an update on any future notification under here as well. And Evernote also offers both free and paid plans. The free version allows basic note taking, but it has limit like fewer notes, fewer devices, and reduced storage. It is good for the light users who only need simple writing and reminders. The paid subscription unlocks advanced features. In the top right, there's an option for the subscription there. Tap there, and over here you can proceed to choose a plan. You'll find this best of the Evernote subscription essentials as well, and you can simply tap on the subscribe and you can proceed to the payments here as well. And the paid subscription unlocks advanced features. They include unlimited note syncing across multiple devices, offline access, larger file uploads, and better organization tools. And paid plans are useful for the students, professionals, or anybody who uses Evernote heavily for work or study. And subscription are usually billed monthly or yearly and require payment through the Apple ID or international cards as well. And the tips for the better use: keep notes titled clear so they're easy to search, use notebooks and tags together for the best organization, and enable reminders for important tasks as well, and use scanning instead of keeping papers document. In the top left, there's a profile icon. Under this profile icon, you'll find this trash. In the Evernote, the trash feature is represented by a pin or trash icon. This icon is used to store notes that you have deleted recently or previously but not permanently removed yet. It acts like a safety area where deleted items stay for a limited time before being erased forever. So when you delete a note, it does not disappear instantly. Instead, it moves into a trash folder which can access from the side menu. Here inside the trash, you can view all of the deleted notes, open them, or restore them if you have changed your mind. And if you accidentally deleted something important, you can simply go to this trash here and choose to restore it to return to your main notes or notebook exactly as it was. However, Evernote does not keep trash forever. After a certain period, or if you manually empty it, the notes are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And using Evernote on iPhone may seem complex at first, but once you understand the icons and layout, it becomes powerful and simple tool. From the plus button for creating notes to navigation icon for organizing and searching, every feature is designed to help you stay productive and organized. With regular use, Evernote can become your go-to app for managing ideas, tasks, and important information all in one place. And that is it. This is how you can use Evernote on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.